Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I'll be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve this gorgeous mini twist style. It's very simple to do and very beginner friendly, so if you want to see all the details, keep watching. This is the hair that I'll be using today. The hair is from BLL Hair. They're available on Amazon, and the 75 packs of the Afro Kinky bulk human braiding hair. And this is how the hair looks straight out of the bag. This is already prepped and ready to use, so you don't have to do anything to the hair. It's already good to go, and as you can see, it's really easy to divide and separate, and it doesn't tangle at all. Also, I didn't experience any excessive shedding with this hair. So this is how much hair I'll be using for each of my twists, and what I'll be doing is I'll take that piece and divide it again into two pieces, then I'll just arrange it like that, and that's how I'll be able to add length to my twists. I bloated my hair to match the texture of the extensions, and I divided my hair into three sections so that my hair doesn't tangle up during the process, and I'll be working section by section. So now I'm going to start with the section at the back, and in order for me to see what I'm doing, I kept a standing mirror behind me and that small mirror in front of me, and that's how I'm able to see what I'm doing. So now I'm going to start doing my twists, and for the first row I'm going to do 4 twists, and this is the braiding gel that I'll be using today. It's from Misha Naturals. So I'll just take a small amount and apply it on the roots of my hair, then I'll just smooth it out. So let me show you again how I'll be using my Afro Kinky bulk human braiding hair. So I'll just take a piece, then divide it into two, then I'll just arrange it just like that. Then I'll take the piece and place it on top of my own hair, then I'll start creating a braid. So your own hair is going to act as the third strand. I'll just continue braiding, and I'll braid a few times, like 5 or 6 times, until I see that the hair is secure enough. Then I'll divide those 3 strands into 2 just like that. Then I'll just twist all the way down. So I'll just continue twisting, and when I reach the very end, I'll just leave it like that because I want my ends to be curly, and I'll show you later what you can do and use to achieve that. So now I'm halfway through the back section. That's how my twists are looking so far. They turned out exactly as how I wanted them to be. So I'll just continue the same process again. So after sectioning my hair, I'll just apply some braiding gel on my roots. Then I'll smooth it out. I'll take the hair piece and then I'll divide it into 2. Then I'll just arrange it like that. Then I'll take the hair piece and place it on top of my own hair. Then I'll start creating a braid. And again, your hair is going to act as the third strand. So after braiding a few times, like 5 or 6 times, I'll go ahead again and divide the 3 strands into 2, and make sure that the hair that you're splitting is your own hair. That way when you're twisting, your hair can be tucked in. You can also use braiding gel when you're twisting so that you can minimize frizz and flyaways. So I'll just continue twisting all the way down, and when I reach towards the very end, I'll just leave it like that, and that's how my ends are looking like. Also, I don't want my twists to have layers. I want them all to have the same length. So moving forward, I'll be adding more hair to my twists. So I'll just continue the same process. I'll braid a few times, like 5 or 6 times. Then I'm going to split the 3 strands into 2. Then I'll just continue twisting, and when I reach halfway through, I'm going to take another piece of hair. Then I'll just add it. Then I'll just twist all the way down. So now I'm done with the section at the back, and that's how my twists are looking like. And I used about 2.5 bundles of the bulk human braiding hair. Then I went ahead and did one section in the front, and for this section I used 1 bundle, and that's how it's looking like. So now just continue with the same method until I finish up the rest of my hair. So I'll just take some braiding gel and apply it on my roots. I'll smooth it out. Then I'll take the hairpiece that I just sectioned out. I'll divide it into two. Then I'll just arrange it like that. I'll take the hairpiece and place it on top of my own hair. Then I'll start creating a braid, and my own hair is going to act as the third strand. And after braiding a few times, like 5 or 6 times, I'm going to split the 3 strands into 2, and the hair that I'm going to be splitting is my own hair, so that when I'm twisting, the hair can be tucked in, and this will help minimize frizz and flyaways. And also you can use braiding gel when you're twisting, and this will help get rid of the flyaways. And as I mentioned before, I'll be adding more hair to the remaining twist so that all of my hair can have the same length. So I'll just continue twisting, and when I reach halfway through, I'll just take a small piece of hair and add it to my twist. Then I'll just twist all the way down. So that's pretty much how I do my mini twist. So I'll just go ahead and show you what you can do and use to style your hair and get your ends from looking like this to this. You're going to need a spray bottle, and mine has water in it, so I'll just spray it on my hair, making sure that my hair is fully soaked. Then you're going to need a styling product, and this is the one that I'll be using. This is a styling gel, but you can go ahead and use any product of your choice. And once I'm done with that, I'll just go ahead and trim the ends, and that's it. This is the final look. So it took me about 12 hours to finish everything because I wanted my twist to look very neat, and this is such a beginner friendly hairstyle that you can do yourself and you can wear it anytime. Again, the hair is from BLL Hair. They're available on Amazon. I'll put all details of this hair down below, so make sure to check them out. So if you're looking for a protective style, then you should definitely try this out. The hair is very lightweight, very easy to style because this is human hair, also very easy to maintain as well. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comment section, and let me know if you try this hairstyle.